Hello core engineering family. In this video we are going to discuss about the strike through function in Excel. Okay, what is strike through function in Excel? What is the importance of strike through function in Excel? Okay, this is a very simple video, as well as this strike through is very helpful when you deal with the data in the Microsoft Excel. Okay, so what is strike through? First of all, we will discuss about it, and the second thing is that we will see that what is the short key for strike through. Okay, like for example, see here, this is my one equipment list. Okay, where is this is the name of the equipment, this is the type, okay, this is the quantity, this is the MOC, and this is the scope. Okay, this is in the scope of core engineering and this is the scope of the client. Okay, now just assume that what happens that in a kickoff meeting or in any meeting, so we feel that the requirement of this tank is no more, right? So you have already released this data sheet, or you want to keep in your mind that like earlier this tank was in your scope, and after the meeting this tank was removed. So what you could do, you could highlight this one. So you could highlight like that, or you could simply do like that. Okay, the first thing is that. Another thing is that could simply do one thing, you could select this one, okay, and you could do strike through. Like what is the strike through? Basically, when simply select this cell, all cell, then go in the format cells, and when you will click on the strike through, so what will happen that, see here, Arial, and it will cut down, okay, from center. So now it is showing clearly that now in this equipment list, this tank is not the part of the equipment list. Are you getting my point? Means this tank has been removed, right? Okay, now I just do undo from here, or you could simply do Ctrl Z. When you will do Ctrl Z, so it will be undo. Okay, second thing what you could do, simply select this one. Okay, select this one and then press Ctrl plus 5. When you will press Ctrl plus 5, then also the strike through option will appear. Okay, this is the short key in Excel for the strike through function or strike through option. Are you getting my point? So this is the significance of the strike through. For example, let's suppose you want to show someone that this portion has been deleted. Okay, so you could simply use the strike through option in the Microsoft Excel when you are using with the large data. Okay, and you have to keep in mind, for example, let's suppose after 2 months, 3 months, that Excel sheet could be open, or let's suppose you open that Excel sheet and you want to see. So this option is, I think this option is the best option to use strike through like that, right? I hope you understood about the strike through option. If you want to know more about the Microsoft Excel and the function and option in the Microsoft Excel, let me in the comments box. I'll make the video definitely. Okay, so that's all for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.